Shri Ganapati Sharada Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to all to chapter 7 of Avadhuta Gita along with singing of its lyrics with brief meaning. Atha Saptamodhyayah Avadhuta Uvacha
रथ्याकर्पटविरचितकण्ठः पुण्यविवर्जितपन्तः शून्यागारे तिष्ठति नग्नो शुद्धनिरोजनसमरसमग्नः.
Avadhuta said, the Avadhuta wears a patched garment made of rags cast off by the side of the street. He walks a path which is free from virtue and vice, absorbed in the pure, unpolluted bliss of Brahman. The carefree mendicant lives in a deserted place.
लक्ष्यालक्षविवर्जितलक्ष्यो युक्तायुक्तविवर्जितदक्षः केवलतत्त्वनिरोजनपूतो वादविवादः कथमवधूतः.
The signs of the Avadhuta may or may not be visible. Although he is beyond right and wrong, he is absolutely honest. His real nature is perfect, pure, and spotless. How is it possible for such an illuminated soul to become involved in arguments and disputations?
आशापाशविबन्धविमुक्तः शौचाचारविवर्जितयुक्तः एवं सर्वविवर्जितसतः तत्त्वं शुद्धनिरञ्जनवन्तः.
The Avadhuta is free from the captivating trap of desire, shunning physical tidiness and social niceties. He is absorbed in the Supreme Spirit, thus renouncing everything. He becomes one with the pure, stainless Brahman.
कथमिह देहविदेहविचारः कथमिह रागविरागविचारः निर्मलनिश्चलगगनाकारं स्वयमिह तत्त्वं सहजाकारम्.
In this state of realization, how can the Avadhuta consider whether he has a body or not, or whether he has attachment or not? He himself is the immaculate, immovable, innate reality, infinite as space.
कथमिह तत्त्वं विन्दति यत्र रूपमरूपं कथमिह तत्र गगनाकारः परमो यत्र विषयीकरणं कथमिह तत्र.
In this state of realization, how and where can one know the reality? How can there be any form or formlessness when the supreme reality is all pervading like space? How can one objectify it?
गगनाकारनिरन्तरहंसः तत्त्वविशुद्धनिरञ्जनहंसः एवं कथमिह भिन्नविभिन्नं बन्धविबन्धविकारविभिन्नम्.
Brahman is all pervading like space, and its essential nature is pure and spotless. Therefore, how can there be division and multiplication, bondage and liberation, and various other modifications in it?
केवलतत्त्वनिरन्तरसर्वं योगवियोगौ कथमिह गर्वम् एवं परमनिरन्तरसर्वम् एवं कथमिह सारविसारम्.
The absolute Brahman pervades all equally. How can one feel union or separation there? Since the Supreme Brahman is identical in all, how can there be any variation of strength or weakness?
केवलतत्त्वनिरञ्जन सर्वं गगनाकारनिरन्तरशुद्धम् एवं कथमिह सङ्गविसङ्गं सत्यं कथमिह रङ्गविरङ्गम्
The absolute Brahman shines equally in all. It is clear and all pervasive like space. Truly, how can there be any friendship or enmity, myth or misery in it?
योगवियोगो रहितो योगी भोगविभोगो रहितो भोगी एवं चरति हि मन्दं मन्दं मनसा कल्पितसहजानन्दम्
The Avadhuta may or may not observe the rules of yoga, still he is a yogi. He may or may not have any possessions, still he is an enjoyer. Indeed, he moves slowly and calmly and enjoys the natural bliss arising from his own pure mind.
बोधविबोधौ सततं युक्तो द्वैताद्वैते कथमिह मुक्तः सहजो विरजः कथमिह योगी शुद्धनिरञ्जनसमरसभोगी
As long as a person has both knowledge and ignorance and a sense of duality and non duality, how can he be liberated? Why should one who always enjoyed the pure, unadulterated bliss of Brahman and whose innate nature is free from desire and ignorance, try to be a yogi?
भग्नाभग्नविवर्जितभग्नो लग्नालग्नविवर्जितलग्नः एवं कथमिह सारविसारः समरसतत्त्वं गगनाकारः
As it is beyond whole and part, there is no division in Brahman. Brahman is not attached to anything because it is beyond attachment and non-attachment. Since it is all pervading existence like space, how can there be any contraction or expansion?
सततं सर्वविवर्जितयुक्तः सर्वतत्त्वविवर्जितमुक्तः एवं कथमिह जीवितमरणं ध्यानाध्यानै कथमिह करणम्
Renouncing everything, the Avadhuta is always united with Brahman. Transcending all elements, he is free. How can there be either life or death for him? What does it matter whether he practices meditation or not?
इन्द्रजालमिदं सर्वं यथा मरुमरीचिका अखण्डितमनाकारं वर्तते केवलः शिवः
This whole world is an illusion, like a mirage in a desert. The indivisible, formless, supreme beatitude alone exists.
धर्मादौ मोक्षपर्यन्तं निरीह सर्वथा वयं कथं रागविरागैश्च कल्पयन्ति विपश्चितः
We, the Avadhutas, never desire righteousness, wealth, enjoyment, or liberation. How then do the scholars imagine that we have attachment or detachment?
विन्दति विन्दति नहि नहि यत्र छन्दो लक्षणं नहि नहि तत्र समरसमग्नो भावितपूतः प्रलपति तत्त्वं परमवधूतः.
Where the intellect cannot reach, how can there be any form of composition? The great Avadhuta, after purifying himself through meditation and becoming absorbed in infinite bliss, has sung spontaneously about Brahman. इति श्री दत्तात्रेय विरचितायां अवधूत गीतायां स्वामी कार्तिक संवादे स्वात्मा संवित्युपदेशो नाम सप्तमोऽध्यायः. नमस्ते शारदे देवी काश्मीर पुरवासिनी त्वामहं प्रार्थये नित्यं विद्यादानं च देहि मे. नमस्कार.